Hi guys, welcome to my new video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a virus program in which you will get numerous numbers of folders. So let's see how to make such program. Before starting, I will recommend you to make a separate folder for this program so that it does not affect any other drive or any important folder in your PC, and this virus is absolutely harmless for your PC, so if you want you can try it at your own PC. So without any further delay, let's start. First we will have to make a separate folder for this. Here I am making in desktop only a separate folder for it. You can name it anything. I will name it as virus. Hit enter. Folder is created. Now open your notepad editor. Here I am using Sublime Text Editor. You can use any your simple notepad or any other note editor you have in your PC. So let's start coding. First we have to put @ echo of, enter, colon A, then MD, then percentage sign. Here you have to write RANDOM. Make sure you write the spelling correctly. Hit enter. Then write goto colon A. That's it. Your coding is over. Now you have to save it. For saving, you click Files, Save As, Desktop. Make sure you save this program in this folder, because if you save in the desktop then numerous numbers of folders will be created there, which probably you don't want, and I also don't want that. So you can save it at any name. Suppose I am saving it as home. You can choose any name you want. Home.bat. Make sure you give the extension as .bat, not any txt file. This is bat file. Okay, now hit save. Let's here see you got this folder. Hit enter, go ahead, and you will see home.bat. Now double click it. You will see command prompt open. Let me minimize it. See, numerous numbers of codes are running, I mean commands. This command is replacing all the file. Let me resize it to let you see. Here you can see numerous numbers of folders are created. You can click on any of them. See, you will see empty folders. So empty folders are created. Now as long as you will keep this program running, it will create numerous numbers of folders in your PC. You can see numerous numbers of folders are running and numerous numbers of empty directories are creating. So let's stop it. Very close. You will see over 3000 empty folders are created. These all are blank. You can try at your own PC. See, all these are blank. Now suppose if you make this virus on any other drive, it will create numerous numbers of folders in other drive. So it will be problematic for you to delete all these useless folders if you put in any other drive. So it will cause very harmful effect for your PC as it. So let's delete all this. For deleting, Ctrl plus all, it will select all the folder. Now directly shift delete. Click yes. See, it's deleting. It will take little bit of time to delete all the folders, even it is blank. is deleting. So here I am pausing the video to make this process fast. You can see all the folders are deleted, 99% completed, all the folders were deleted. You can close it, no problem. It will take some time to close because one file is still maybe not deleting. No problem, it will delete soon. So see, you can, this folder is fully empty now. If you want, you can now delete this folder. It's totally useless now. So that's all for this video. I hope you will like it. Make sure you like this video. Do subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.